So I have a mains model of the Bosch table saw, and it hasn't got as much power as this cordless one has, which is a bit backwards, but that just shows how much efficiency goes from the battery to the motor. This is solid oak, and it just took that like a breeze. We've got the Bosch Expert for Wood blue blade. That is a clean cut. And I've got no cables, no power. This is all battery run. It's remarkable. So I've been using these Bosch cordless tools today to do this project of swinging the door along with the trims on the outside. Now, a lot of these tools run off the Procore 18-volt battery. So not only does the battery help protect your tools from overheating, the charging station also stops your battery from overheating while charging. This right here is the world's fastest lithium-ion charger. This will have an active air cooling fan, cools your batteries, again stops them from overheating, stops damaging the cells. This will help you carry on with your day while you're working, charging batteries fast, keeping them controlled and nice and safe while you're using them. So with my experience on site, for me, having a fast, efficient charger that looks after your batteries is very beneficial. Having a really reliable tool and a great performing battery is nothing without a great blade. This is Bosch's Expert for Wood blade. It has loads of different features to it that help your battery life last longer, your tool last even longer. And what makes this blade stand out from other blades, you can see it's blue. It's not just a color, it is a special coating that reduces friction and heat buildup while you're cutting through your material. Not to mention the tungsten carbide teeth all the way around helps get your cuts extra clean without breakout. So one of the tools I use today is one I haven't used before. This is Bosch's 18-volt cordless Orbital sander. Now, a few features on this I really liked. First of all, we've got the M480 150 grit sanding disc. It's not sandpaper. It's got very fine holes in it to get extra suction for all those little dust particles to stop them getting in the air. And where do they go? They go into this filtered dust bag. This has a filtration layer onto it to help the air, clean air go out and the dirty air stay in. It's a really nice design on this sander. Light, comfortable, really enjoyed using this. So another tool that I used today for the first time was this model of laser level. I've used their green laser levels before, really efficient. This is the first 12-volt one that I've used. This runs off the Bosch 12-volt batteries for longer battery life and extra large vision panels on the lasers to give you a really clear view of what you're looking at. It's also got Bluetooth, which I haven't quite delved into yet, but I'm sure will be really helpful. Really nice, sturdy bit of kit. Another measuring device which I use really often is this green laser distance measurer. This is what you can measure long distances without having to use a tape measure. This is what I use for the skirting. Love this tool. It is to the millimeter perfect. I can rely on this all the time. AA batteries, nice visible green laser line, and very easy to use. Point and click, can't go wrong. So what am I looking for in my day while I'm working on site? I want reliability, I want good quality, and I want to have accuracy in all of my tools. And these batteries, these Expert for Wood accessories, and these 18-volt cordless power tools really outperform any others that I've used. I can rely on them, they have long-lasting batteries, and they look after themselves. They're not going to burn or overheat themselves out. I've had people before ask me why I stick with Bosch, and it's just a lot of long-lasting heavy-duty tools. You haven't got to think about getting new batteries, different platforms. Everything works with everything, and I'm really chuffed to see all the work they've put into getting these tools out in the market and into the hands of skilled construction workers. So really happy with what Bosch have done.